Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Afnita Alfiatun from class 1D Medical Record and Health Information. Today I will be discussing a very important topic in the world of healthcare, which is communication with patient and the critical role proper documentation plays in the treatment process. I will explain why effective communication with patient and accurate documentation are so important. Part 1. The importance of communication with patient. Communication in the healthcare environment is considered a key asset to improving the quality of care. Often, problems within a hospital or healthcare facility also due to ineffective communication between the individual involved. Good communication with the patient and families is a key component to safe and effective care. According to StatNews.com, more effective communication could help prevent thousands of patient deaths and reduce malpractice costs that run into billions of dollars. Failures in communication have been shown to be a significant factor in malpractice cases, which can ultimately be life-threatening for patients. Part 2. Communication Method. For more effective communication, we can use some effective communication methods. There are various communication channels, including verbal, non-verbal, written, and through electronic means. Each channel has its own role in patient communication. First, verbal and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication. The involves the use of spoken word in speaking and listening. It is essential for explaining medical condition and providing treatment information. Verbal communication should be simple and clear for the patient to understand. Nonverbal communication. This includes facial expression, body language, eye contact, and voice intonation. Nonverbal communication helps convey emotional and attitude. Facial expression, gesture, and eye contact are important in building a positive relation with the patient. To achieve effective communication, we can apply the RISK method. 1. Respect. Respect others and maintain their self-esteem. 2. Empathy. Try to understand the patient feeling and experience. 3. Audible. Make sure the message you are conveying is easy for the patient to understand. 4. Clarity. Your message should be clear and free from multiple interpretation. 5. Humble. Be humble, admit mistakes, and be gentle in communication. In addition, the SPAR communication 1. Situation. Focus on conveying the problem that occur in the patient, starting with introducing yourself, conveying patient identification, and the problem that occur in the patient. 2. Background. Conveys the background that led to the patient complaint. 3. Assessment. Convey the result of observation and evaluation of the patient condition. And 4. Recommendation. Conveying or the requesting advice based on the information provided. Part 3. Importance of communication. Documentation. One important aspect of communication with patient is proper documentation. Proper documentation is at the core of risk management and profit safe continuity of care. Poor and incomplete documentation can have a serious impact on patient care and even legal issue. Which is documentation for so important? Comprehensive documentation in the medical record is essential evidence of clinic decision making and provided clear direction for patient care. It also supports the medical action taken by the care team. Failure to documentation communication that threaten the quality of patient care. Part 4. Tips for better documentation. For better documentation, make sure to record all patient-related communication, especially when describing medication, making a diagnosis, directing treatment, or referring patient to other providers or facilities. In the documentation, documentation, make sure you include the patient name, the name of the person who accompanied the patient during visit or call regarding the patient care, and the relationship with the patient, date and time of communication, reason for the visit or care, medical effects of information provided, identify of the patient companion or if any, assessment of allergies and drug reaction if medication is prescribed. Part 5. Best practice and things to avoid. There are some best practices to follow in documentation, such as ensuring the accuracy of information, avoiding consent record, and keeping patient information confidential. Part 6. Maintaining privacy and security in an age of technology, maintaining privacy and security of communication is very important. Make sure you follow appreciable guidelines, especially when using technologies such as telehealth or sending medical information via email or text message. We are obliged to keep patient information confidential in accordance with applicable regulation. Part 7. Question patient. May as finally consider question patient may have such as how to access the patient portal or download their health record. These are some of the things you need to know about patient communication in healthcare and the importance of accurate documentation. All of the action aim to improve the quality of patient care and their safety. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.